Hey guys, welcome to my channel called How To. So today in this, we'll quickly see how we can enable Telnet feature in our Windows machine. Okay. So basically, I'm using Windows 10 right now, right? So let's quickly jump into Control Panel first. Type Window plus R, okay, and type Control. Control. It's a shortcut. Else, what you can do, you can click on Start and type Control. Okay, Control Panel, and open it, right, and navigate to programs and features. Okay, and click on turn windows features on and off. Okay, so basically what we need to do is, by default, the telnet feature seems to be disabled on, in our systems, okay, in our machines. So all we need to enable that feature, right? So telnet is basically used for, having a remote access for um, our what we call it, like routers, switches, right? So for that part, we need to have that this feature enabled in our machine, right? Even for some, for troubleshooting part or for testing part, we tend to use Telnet. Okay. So once this, Windows feature window will pop up, all you need to do is scroll down, right, and search telnet client, right? So by default it will be unchecked. Okay, so for me I have already turned it on, but all you need to do is check, check this telnet feature on, right? Check it out and then click OK. Okay, and then quickly come to cmd, right, and type telnet. First I'll verify my ip. Okay, ip config. So I do have in one, or tender router, default router on my home. So I'll try to telnet this. Okay. So I know, like, this telnet feature is not available on my tender router, but I'll tell you, then just I'll show you. Okay, some tshoot command telnet 192.168.0.1 space. So I tend to access my tender router. Okay. With the help of GUI. Okay, 192.168.0.1. Okay, so basically it uses port. It's an STTP, right? It's not secure, and it uses port number 80. Okay, so all I'm doing is just to verify. Okay, I'll type the telnet command and my IP address of my device and hit and space and then space and the port number. Okay, 80. So as soon as you'll click on OK, see, at least my packets are being thrown out to my to my default gateway, to my router, right? So it means my telnet feature is working fine over here. Okay, if I'll click some, if I'll type something, it will give some output. I'll type Control C or Control Shift 6. Okay, let it be, right? See, at least I'm getting some response, right? So which means I'm like, this is just an tshoot command. For troubleshooting I just use telnet, right? For device access you can use the same command, and that's it. I hope that this feature, or this um, video will be informative for you, and thank you so much for watching. See you until next time. Bye bye.